Hello everyone, welcome to Aromase. Today I'm going to share with you one of our best sellers, our 5-Alpha Juniper Scope Purifying Liquid Shampoo. Before talking about all the good stuff about this shampoo, let's take a look of this unique packaging. There's a missing corner right here. This corner is all about Aroma's passion. In most of the market and commercial, we always see women or girl with beautiful hair shining on the screen, and we forget about the scope. The scope is just like the soil of your hair. Without healthy soil, there's no chance you can grow beautiful grass or beautiful flower. So we want to remind people about it and truly help your scalp breathe and grow. You might think why I need a purifying shampoo for myself. Our scalp is just like our second face. It will have the dead skin and stubborn grease spewed up from time to time. In order to take away those spewed up, boost the volume, and keep scalp in a healthy stage, we gotta use the purifying shampoo in a regular basis. Once a week or once every other week. Really depends on what kind of scalp type you have. And now I want you to know what is the main ingredients in here make it so special. First, there's glycerinic acid. It is so powerful and anti-inflammatory, and it is from the plant without any medicine. And next we have Juniper communis, is antibacterial. And also we have the 5-alpha avocado. It's balancing sebum level to prevent from producing excess oil. Last but not least, we have caramel to boost our moisturizing level. After hearing all this good stuff, are you ready to purifying your scalp? What you need to do is take off the lid and peel off the seal. Second, put it right back. Third, twist the top and pour it out. This pointed end right here is really easy to get it right on your scalp. It works like a pre-shampoo. You don't need to add any water to foam it up. Just pour and massage right on your scalp. And there is also a really smart scale on the side right here. You can keep track about how much product you already use. One scale is actually 20 cc. That is the average usage for covering the whole scalp. If you have bigger head, go for more. If you have less, at least 20 cc. After you cover all your scalp with the purifying shampoo, you just gotta massage it in for about a minute, rinse it off, and followed by your favorite shampoo that suits your scalp type. This shampoo really make my hair look super energized and give it a really nice volume. That is what I never experienced before, so I'm truly amazed by this purifying shampoo. Thank you for taking time to watch this video, and hope you're in a journey with us to make your scalp breathe and grow. If you have further question or any concern, please feel free to reach out to us. We are always here to help you.